Okay, I put my glove on. Okay, this is video proof of what it's like up here for all you people in warm climate and from all my city girlfriends. I don't know if this is getting me or not. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I have to go check the cattle water. Because it might not be working and my husband is at work. So, he's going to help me big time. I guess and look, there's the cattle water. Yeah, this wasn't so bad. This is great. This is great. Okay, here we go with the wind again. Coming out from behind the machine shed. Oh, okay. Knee-deep snow for Tara. Which obviously would have made it that doesn't take much. Officially working. I'm gonna go back to the house now after I check on the cat house. I'll explain that story some other time. If we don't make it back, you all. I don't think I can shut this thing off with my glove on, so you have to